Okay.
Hi classmates and whoever is watching this video. Today, our group, Jalín Pereda, Ivana Ramirez, Cristel Ruiz, and Brian Giovanni will explain the topic of love cosines. Hope you'll enjoy it and of course, understand it.
While the presentation passes, please copy all of the info on the slides into your notes. Work through the problem step by step with the explanation. Sit back and enjoy the law of cosines.
Here we have our index. First, we have the concept, the formula, the explanation, the examples, and lastly, the exercises. Welcome. Now we will start with the official video and the explanations. Remember, you can summarize or pause the video if you have any questions or you just want to read the presentation we prepare for you. The law of cosines is a trigonometric law that relates the lengths of the sides of a triangle to the cosine of one of its angles. This law is a generalization of the Pythagorean theorem and is particularly useful for solving triangles when the three sides or two sides and an included angle are known. The law of cosines is widely applied in geometry and navigation.
To know when we can use the law of cosines, we can follow the following. The third side of a triangle when we know two sides and the angle between them. Like in the example above. The two sides are 8 and 9 and we have to find the angle B. And also when we have all the sides of a triangle, we can find the three angles. In order to solve law of cosines exercise, you know the formulas. And as you can see, they use the same formula, but the places are different. Like in the first one, a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times cos a. In the second one, b squared is equal to c squared plus a squared minus 2ca times cos b. And in the last one, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cos c. And to solve this exercise, you just have to replace the letter with the result they correspond in the triangle. And to find the angles of the triangle, but you also have to use these other formulas. To find angle C, you have to use the first one, that is cos C is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared, and all this divided into 2ab. And to know angle A, you have to use the second one. Cos A, it's equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared, and all this divided into 2bc. And for the last one, that is angle B, it's equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared, and all this divided into 2ca.
Now I'll continue with the last example, which is the third one. We have here this figure and we have the original formula, which is cos C equals to a squared plus b squared minus c squared divided by 2ab. So with this, we transfer to the actual numbers. So we applied it with cos x equals 14 squared divided by 11 squared minus 21 squared divided by 2 plus 14 plus 11. Then we have cos x again equals 196 divided by 121 minus 441. This we divided to 308. After that, we have cos x again equals minus 4 divided by 308. Then we have cos x equals to minus 0.402597. And last step, we have cos minus 1 parenthesis minus 0.402597. We close the parenthesis equals x. And last, the final result. X. Then our final result is x equal 113.741 degrees. As you can see, this is a very easy example that you can see it here and understand it pretty well. Then we continue with my friend Ivana. Thank you.
Okay, so now after that theoretical explanation, I am going to start with the exercise, the examples. As you can see, this is a triangle. It has three, both of the sides and the angle, and I have to find x. I am going to start with the first step, that it's locating the letters in the example in the corners of the triangle. It doesn't really matter where you locate the letters. You can put it as you wish. So I am going to put letter A in this corner, letter B in this top corner, and letter C in this one. What it does matter locating the letters is that if you put letter A in here, you have to put the other letter A at the opposite side, that it's where it's X. So I'm going to put A in here. Then the same with the other ones. I put B in here, so I am going to put at the opposite side at 9 B, and then here C in the opposite side, it's 10 C. So if you see in the order, in the formulas that Cadeline gave me, it gave me three that are the same, and I am going to use the one that is using A because I want to discover what's the value of A, because this is what the problem is asking me for. So the formula was A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 multiplying B, C, and cos in the angle. Okay, so this is the formula that I am going to use for this problem because it's the one that I need because it has A. So I am going to replace now the values of the problem with the letters. So A square root equals to B, that it's 9 square root because that states the formula, plus C, that it's 10 square minus 2. The 2, it comes from the formula because it's the constant. This means that it's never going to change and it's always going to be in there. Multiplying B, that it's 9, multiplying C, that it's 10, and cos, multiplying the angle, that it's 47. So now we have to cancel the square of this. We put the square root in here, so it cancels like this, and the square root in here. I put this in my calculator, the square root like this, and then in here you put a parenthesis and then all of these values, and then you close parentheses after the angle. Okay, so the result is 7.63 meters, and this one, it's your final result. Okay, now I am going to follow up with the next example. This one already has A, B, and C. I'm just going to put the other ones. Opposite side of A, opposite side of B, and opposite side of C. Okay, A square root equals to B square root, that is 15 15 square root plus 12 square root, that it's C. Then minus 2, that it's the constant, plus 15, that it's B, multiplying 15 and multiplying 12, that it's C, multiplying cos, and 105, that are the degrees in here. So I am going to do the same with the calculator. I am going to put all this in the square root, these cancels, so square root of all this and the parentheses before the 15. Okay, so the calculator give us 21.49 meters, and this is the final result of this example. I hope you understand it, and I am going to leave you an exercise so you can practice what you just learned.
We almost finished with this video, but wait, not that fast. We have these 2 exercises that we prepared for you so you can answer them with the formulas that my friend Jalin Pereda gave to you and the 2 examples that my friend Ivana Ramirez just explained to you. So remember to pause the video and answer them, because in a moment we will show you the results. Good luck!
Okay, and now we are going to leave you a song so you can comprehend more the topic that we made with a lot of effort.
Yeah, yeah, cosine law. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
In that triangle we got 2 sides and an angle, make it hot. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC, cos that's a plot. A squared, B squared, C squared, calculate. Cosine of the angle, don't be late. Mathematics in the rhythm, feel the pace. Trap, beat, geometry, set the place. Love cosine, split quick. A squared equals B squared plus C squared, 2BC, slick. Angle side, solving trick, fast math, as a mix.
If you got one side, triangles inside. Love cosines, make it right. Solve the triangle day or night. Trap and math, we make flight. A squared, B squared, C squared, calculate. Cosine of the angle, don't be late. Mathematics is the rhythm, feel the piece. Trap, beat, geometry, set the place. Love cosine, speedy quick. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC, sleek. Angle side, solving tricks, fast math, trap, beat, that's a mix.
Geometry on the beat, speed it up, trap with mind, veins never stop, cosine law, always in the top, in the triangle of life we pop. Love cosine, split it quick. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus BC, slick. Angle side, solving tricks, fast math, trap, beat, that's a mix.
Mathematics in the rhythm, feel the pace. Trap, beat, set the place. Love cosine, split quick. A squared equals B squared plus C squared, 2BC, slick. Angle side, solving trick, fast math, trap, beat, that's a mix.
If you got one side, triangles inside. Love cosines, make it right. Solve the triangle day or night. Trap and math, we make flight. A squared, B squared, C squared, calculate. Cosine of the angle, don't be late.
Cosine law, always in the top, in the triangle of life we pop. Love cosine, split it quick. Angle side, solving tricks, fast math, trap, beat, that's a mix.
Fast trap, cosine law, every step, every draw, in the triangle is a tall, trap and math, give it all. Fast trap, cosine law, every step, every draw, in the triangle is a tall, trap and math, give it all.
Now, thank you so much for your attention. This video has finally come to an end. We hope you understood this topic, your answers were right, and most important, that you understood the explanations that me and my friend just gave to you in all of this video. This is our social media, and we hope you have a nice day and no more problems with this topic in math.